Here's a video, my last file, and I'm editing it. Let me bring it back here. You tell me if it's moving or not and the reasons why Wondershare Filmora does this. Place it on. Come back. In order for me to stop this, I'm going to have to go into File, Save Project As, and complete it over here. I cannot close down my program. If I do, then Screen Recorder shuts down. I'll come back in a second. It took me over a minute. Double clicking, finally Windows opens up Wondershare. Let's go into File, Open Project, open my saved project, and let's come to the very end over here, expand it, and play my last file. This becomes annoying with the Windows Lenovo Yoga 7i.